Our war against terror is only beginning. History has called America and our allies to action. It is both our responsibility and our privilege to fight freedom's fight.
In the war on terrorism, we're up against enemies whose only power is the darkness in which they hide. Information is our most crucial weapon in rooting out these criminals before they can strike again. The intelligence community is on the front line, working with information pouring in from many sources, both global and domestic. Unfortunately, this information isn't reaching intelligence analysts as fast as it could. It's a data management challenge, a critical technical shortfall. One company is ready with a proven solution. It's called ZLE, Zero Latency Enterprise, a potentially powerful weapon in the war on terrorism.
Today, using Zero Latency Enterprise, companies in the telecommunications, retail, financial, and travel industries track and analyze billions of transactions in real time, all the time. To get a sense of how ZLE can benefit the intelligence community, consider this hypothetical scenario. Documents and computer disks captured in Afghanistan provide military intelligence with names and phone numbers in Indonesia, Houston, and Mexico. A CIA asset in Yemen and NSA interceptions indicate Al-Qaeda may have succeeded in smuggling spent nuclear fuel from Jakarta to the Western Hemisphere. FBI surveillance of suspected terrorist affiliates indicates preparations for a large suicide mission within a major southwestern city. 3 government entities, each holds a different piece of the puzzle in its databases, and the clock is ticking. How quickly could an intelligence analyst put the pieces together? It depends on how quickly the intelligence data management system can process massive amounts of information from a variety of sources. And it depends on how quickly the analyst can access that information. Current systems were not designed to work with a diverse assortment of databases, nor do they give the analyst access to data as soon as it's received into the system. Hence, our analyst may be working with stale information. ZLE eliminates these problems. The ZLE framework can accommodate all existing hardware and software applications. Analysts can access and share information easily, no matter what system they use. Thus, the ZLE preserves the agency's investment in those legacy systems. ZLE allows agencies to exploit the latest commercial tools for searching data and identifying trends where multiple sources of intelligence can include text, audio, and video. The ZLE architecture can also accommodate the diverse data mining tools used in various government agencies today. But ZLE's most important contribution to the analyst's mission is the speed of information delivery. Conventional systems either optimize the speed that data is accepted or the speed at which an analyst can access it. Either way, the analyst is deprived of real-time information. ZLE is unique. It can simultaneously accept new records and handle analysts' queries with no downtime or bottlenecks, even with extremely large volumes of information. Now, let's look at volume. A ZLE system has processed more than 80,000 transactions per second. But that capacity can be enlarged to accommodate swelling intelligence data streams and storage requirements, solving the problem of ever-increasing volumes of data. In conventional systems, when capacity is enlarged, the efficiency of each individual server is reduced. But advanced server technology provides linear scalability. That means the system can be expanded as necessary without losing performance. Now, let's get back to our intelligence analyst. In a ZLE environment, the analyst has real-time access to all the available pieces in the puzzle. He has real-time global and domestic intelligence from the CIA, the military, the FBI, regardless of any software differences in those databases. ZLE automatically makes available to analysts the latest information on a particular area of focus. In this case, potential terrorist actions at home. The analyst queries the system using details from an audio clip of an FBI surveillance tape. The goal is to find anything in any database that might relate to plans for a radiological suicide attack in a southwestern U.S. city. A massive search occurs in an instant. Among other things, it turns up photo images of captured Al-Qaeda documents with Mexican and Houston phone numbers. He flags the information for the FBI. He reviews a CIA text file and learns an informant has reported the possible smuggling of nuclear materials to the Americas. This has already come to the attention of military analysts. Our analyst now alerts them to the possibility that the material is destined for Texas via Mexico. This is the kind of challenge for which conventional systems are not well suited. But the job can be done by ZLE, the only system now providing business users with all these benefits. An input-output rate accepting 80,000 transactions per second and scalable beyond that limit to meet customer requirements. Metadata storage that is scalable to meet growing intelligence gathering requirements. An architecture that optimizes the performance of computer resources, the availability of information to users when and where they need it, even as missions and applications change. The time and cost savings of using proven off-the-shelf products. New versions and new technologies may be added as they come on the market. The use of industry standards, which allows for easy integration of new capabilities and applications. Versions can be updated with minimum impact on system performance.
As you've seen, there is a solution to the challenges our intelligence analysts face today. That solution is zero latency enterprise. ZLE is ready to help America fight back now.